Hi! Let's take an image sequence and turn it into a video. As you can see, we have a folder with a bunch of PNG files. Let's turn over to the application window and navigate to the settings window. Once there, we can set the output frame rate to match the image sequence frame rate. I'll choose 25 because I know my image sequence is 25 frames per second. Now we can exit the settings window and make sure all the settings in the main window are just like we want them to be. All that's left to do is to grab the first frame of the image sequence, the one that has only zeros at the end, and drop it onto the application window. The moment you drop it, the application immediately starts to create the video out of the image sequence. When the process is done, you can double-click the media in the list to watch your newly created video. If for any reason you wish to delete the media you just created, simply right-click the name in the list and select Delete.